Welcome back. So guys, this video will be about the one of the newest courses launched by Coursera on the Coursera platform. So the course is Web Application Security Testing with Burp Suite. So this course is launched by Coursera Project Network, which means that every course, if you go to Coursera, every course categorized under Coursera Project Network is considered as hands-on and laboratory. So this course is pure practical aspect of penetration testing or application penetration testing with Burp Suite. So when you first enroll the course, guys, all you have to do is to go to project, go down, and you will see here the lab that you need to take a look at or you need to do, and here the quiz. So the lab is ungraded, so you don't need to do the lab in order to pass the course. All right, so the only graded thing is the quiz. But my recommendation, even if you are familiar with the application security testing with Burp Suite, I recommend you guys. I personally went through the lab and followed every single instruction in the course or in the lab. Maybe you need to fresh up on your knowledge. Maybe there are some stuff that you have overlooked in the past whatsoever. So the lab here, let's go to the lab and see what it looks like. So this is the lab, and here you have two interfaces.
8080.
On the right, you have the videos or the teacher doing the labs, and on the left, you have your desktop where you get all the tools needed to perform exactly or to do exactly what the trainer is teaching you guys. So here you can click on the arrow here, and you will see the videos or the topics of the videos. So first we have intro to Burp Suite, how to use Burp Suite, what's the objective of the software. Second, setting up the proxy with the Firefox so you can intercept the request between the Burp Suite and the website of the server. Third, here it walks you over how to intercept requests and manipulate them. Fourth, here sniffing credentials and altering requests. First, dictionary attack, where you get to do brute force and password guessing against login forms. 6, here you perform file upload and SQL injection attacks when you discover that there is a vulnerability that pertains to these two attacks. So let's go back. On the left here you see the attendance. On here you see the files. If you want to download the files to your own machine, you can click on the file and download it. But I don't think you need that. What you need to do, guys, is to go to videos, start right up from here, intro, and
Hello and welcome to the class.
drag this to the left. And here you see the videos, guys, all right? Skip the videos with this or skip to the next video. And then with every video, guys, you go to the left and do exactly what the trainer has done. So by the way, the trainer here, let me show you something. The trainer uses utility, which is one of the vulnerable applications I explained in the past videos. Let me.
You had to use Burp Suite to perform. Burp site you do not use Burp.
Skip that. Let me go back.
Often used to version is commonly used by particularly a variety of web applications.
So here's introduction to how to use Burp Suite basically. The second video is, as I told you, use Burp Epoxy proxy, setting up proxy, guys, with the Firefox.
That you need to disable.
As you can see,
so there's a way to turn that off too.
But I want to show you guys what the guy is using. As you can see, he's using DVWA or DVWA, sorry, for as a vulnerable web app with Burp Suite.
Welcome back. Next, open up Burp Suite.
Burp Suite.
27.0.
So you see he's using utility to do the experiments or to do the testing with Burp Suite. Now, after you complete the labs, you go back to the course, you click on the quiz, and you answer the questions. All right. Once you've answered the questions and you get passed, you get the certificate. How does the certificate look like? The cool part. Let's go to see the certificate. Okay, let's see the certificate. I hope I can find this among this high stack of certificates. Let me search. Let's see if search will do something for us. Oh, there is no search. Let's continue on. There is nothing in here. And nope. 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 Oh, where is it? Nope. What did you do to my cert? Jesus Christ, I can't find it. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Oh, okay. Here it is. Here it is. So this is the cert. So you see the logo and the certificate. I know this cert may not be kind of an official recognized industry cert to qualifies you to get employed. But guys, the topic is practical, and if you don't have the enough experience, or if you are building up your experience in the cybersecurity field, I strongly recommend you to take this course, uh, especially if you are beginner with Burp Suite or with application security testing. What else I need to tell you guys? So this course is dedicated to those guys who are, uh, you know, getting started with web application security testing, and they want to know or to learn what are the tools used for application security testing, particularly Burp Suite. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you find this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.